Heart bouquet of roses. Isn't it beautiful? But what if you could make this stunning bouquet yourself using simple materials at home? Hi guys, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. Today I'm going to show you how to make this stunning DIY heart bouquet with tissue paper roses. This is perfect handmade gift idea for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays or any special occasions. Materials needed are cardboard, glue, double-sided tape, scoring tool, scissors, markers, wooden skewer, a glass, water spray bottle, and tissue paper. Free templates are available on our website. The link is in the description box below. We'll start with template 1, the bow. First apply glue at the middle area where the knot will be. Now stick the right side of the bow to the middle. Repeat the same with the left side. Next, apply glue again at the center and pass the ribbon ends through the middle. Secure them firmly. And tada! Our bow is ready. Now let's move on to the bouquet holder. Take the bouquet template and score and fold along the lines as shown in the template instructions. Once done, on the left side you see this small flap. Apply glue to this flap and stick it to the right side to form bouquet shape. And just like that, the bouquet base is ready. Now comes the most exciting part, making the roses. Take a tissue paper, a glass, and a marker. Place the glass on tissue paper and draw circles around it. Make as many circles as possible. The more layers you use, the fuller rose will look. Once all circles are drawn, cut them carefully. Now take a marker and color the edges of the circle as shown. Next, place them on plastic sheet and spray little water over them. This helps the color spread beautifully across the tissue paper, giving a soft petal effect. Separate the circles and leave them to dry completely. Separating them helps them dry faster. Once the circles are dry, we'll start assembling the rose. I have made about 45 circles per rose. Place one tissue circle on top of the glass. Press it gently so it forms the first petal layer inside the glass. Apply glue to the ends of the petal and stick the next petal beside it. Continue to do so until first layer is formed. Make sure the first layer is tucked in firmly. For the next layers of the rose, continue gluing each petal between the previous petal. Finally, cover the base with the last remaining petal. Lastly, hold the glass in your hand, flip it, and remove the glass from the top. And there you go, you have a beautiful tissue paper rose ready. To make the stem, take a 6 by 6 inch origami paper and roll it around a skewer. Secure the edge with glue or tape. Remove the skewer and trim the ends evenly. Make 3 cuts at the top. This will be used to stick the leaf to the stem. For the leaf, take another 6 by 6 inch paper, fold it as shown, and draw a leaf shape. Cut it out. Make a tiny cut at the bottom of the leaf. Open the leaf. And using a scoring tool, gently taper the edges. This gives the leaf a natural curve and makes it look more realistic. Pass the stem through the leaf and secure it with glue. Now attach the rose here. A rose with stem is ready. Now it's time to assemble the bouquet. Place the rose inside the bouquet holder and attach the decorative bow we made earlier. And tada! Your stunning DIY heart bouquet with tissue paper roses is ready. I also made another rose style. Let me know in comments which one you like more, rose 1 or rose 2. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Craft and Canvas for more creative DIY craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep crafting. Bye bye.